Hi friends and well wishers, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss part 4 IIT JEE mains. Already we discussed part 1, 2 and 3. So let us go through it now. For x belongs to 0 comma 3 by 2, the open interval. So f of x and g of x are defined in such a way that f of x is root x and g of x is tan x. Now h of x is given 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and phi of x, the function phi of x defined as h circle f circle g of x. Then we had to determine phi of 5 by 3. It is has been asked in 2019 12th April shift 1, first shift. So functions are mappings. Already we gone through it. So go through the description. Link is given in the description. Previous problems. Let us start now. So given solution now. So this is the first question. So given f of x is nothing but root x, g of x is our tan x, and h of x is nothing but 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So these are the defined one now. Okay, these are given under the closed interval 0 comma 3 by 2. Now we have to find phi of pi by 3 where phi of x is defined in this way. So let us go through it now. So therefore phi of x is nothing but, so this is a function given. So let us write here simplified form direct with the direct steps. So nothing but I can write here h circle f of g of x. Okay, so our g of x is defined is nothing but here tan x. So h circle f of tan x. So the by the definition of g of x here. So next I can write here h of f of tan x. Okay. Again by the definition of function here I can write here like this splitting. So f of tan x nothing but here f of x is in the form of root x. So I can write h of root of tan x by the definition of our f of x. Previously g of x, next h of x, sorry next f of x. Now finally it is in the form of h of x where our x is nothing but root of tan x. So be careful here. So I can write now here 1 minus root of tan x the whole square by 1 plus root of tan x the whole square. So this implies I can write now phi of x is nothing but, finally after this I am going to get 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. This is a phi of x what I got. So according to the trigonometry formula I can say that this is phi of x is nothing but, okay, I can write here tan of pi by 4 minus x. So 1 minus this phi of x is nothing but 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus x. This is a formula we have in our trigonometry. So from this one. But they said to determine phi of pi by 3. Here also directly you can substitute, no problem. So this implies I can write now phi of pi by 3. Pi by 3 stands for here 60 degrees. Okay. So now I can write tan of pi by 3, sorry pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So after the LCM I am going to get here, this I can write tan of 3 pi minus 4 pi by 12, nothing but tan of minus pi by 12. As we know that tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, okay, so writing here, so minus tan pi by 12. So let us pick up the options here. Minus tan of pi by 12 is absent. We have plus pi by 12 here. So still we can simplify now. So this I can write here minus tan of k. I can write pi minus pi by 12. Okay. So minus tan pi by 12. So nothing but I can write like this. Okay. So this one. So minus tan pi by 12 I can write it as tan of 180 minus theta. So I can write here tan 11 pi by 12. Okay. By the definition of supplementary angles of trigonometric ratios, I can write here tan of this one, tan of 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. So tan is negative. I can write in this way. So to get the options here. So now here this is failed here. It is not available. So that's why we shifted in this way. In the second quadrant pi minus pi by 12. So after simplifying after LCM I got this one. So therefore tan phi of pi by 3 nothing but tan of 11 pi by 12. Okay. So according to our options here I can write here this one. Okay. So tan of minus theta is minus tan theta and the option is going to fit here nothing but B option. So just you should able to know the basic knowledge of progressions, composite functions, next here trigonometry. So here also you can substitute here pi by 3, you can simplify, no problem, you are going to get. So but this is a better way and this is a formula connected to our trigonometry here. Okay, later going on the steps, and here to get the options after doing this, check the options. If you are not getting, going to consider in this way to get the appropriate option. So once you have the total look of this problem,